Hello students, I am Swati Kedar. In today's C# session, we are going to see the lab program, that is, write a program in C# to count a total number of alphabets, digits and special characters in a string. And this is your journal program. In this program, we are going to execution in two ways. The first way in Visual Studio, in second way we type the program in Notepad and execute on developer command prompt. I have already told you how to open the Visual Studio and how to create the project for a C# file. And you see here I have already created here one file for this program. You see here the first 4 lines, these are the namespaces. I have already told you in previous sessions. After that we have created here one namespace, alphabet, digit, special, char. Inside that we have to create the classes and the methods. Inside that we have created here one class, alpha, digit. Inside that we have created here main method, static void main, and program execution start from this method only. Inside the main method we have declared here str of a type string. After that we have created here 5 variables of a type integer, alphabets, digits, special char, I and L. After that we have initialized here alphabets, digits, special char, I is equal to 0. After that we are printing enter a string on a console. After that we are reading the string from the console. Str is equal to console.readline. It reads string from the console and stored in this str variable. After that L is equal to str.length, means the length of that string will be stored in this length L. After that we are taken here while loop. In while loop I is less than L, length L. If the condition is true, then it executes this code until the condition becomes false. Inside the while loop we have created here if condition, if, and it checks for the condition if stri is greater than equal to small a and stri is less than equal to small z, or stri is greater than equal to capital A and stri is less than equal to capital Z. If the condition is true, then it executes this code. It increments the value of alphabet by 1, alphabet plus plus. After that it checks for the next condition. If this condition is true, you see here stri is greater than equal to 0 and stri is less than equal to 9. If the condition is true, then it executes this code digit plus plus. It increments the value of digit by 1. If the both the condition is false, then it executes this else part, and you see here it increments the value of special char by 1, special char plus plus. If the condition is this condition is true, then it increment the value of I also. After that you have to close all the brackets and console.write number of alphabets in a string is alphabets. It prints on the console number of alphabets in a string, the value of that alphabets. After that number of digits in a string is digits, means that digit value will be printed on the console. Number of special char in string is special char. It prints on the console special char. After that you have to close all the brackets and save the program. Now we go for the execution. Click on start. You see here enter the string. I enter here in capital Swati @123 and press on enter key. You see here output number of alphabets in a string is 5. We have here 5 alphabets SWATI 1 2 3 4 5. So it prints 5. Number of digits in a string is 3. We have here digits in a string 1 2 3. So it prints 3. Number of special character in a string is 1. So it prints 1. We have here 1 special character, so it prints 1. This is the execution in Visual Studio. Now we go for the tracing of this program. You see here this is the main coding of this program. you see here alphabets, digits, special char, and I is initialized to 0 first. After that, console dot write, enter the string, it prints on the console, and str is equal to console dot read line, it reads string from the console. I enter a string as a in capital Swati @123, and this string is stored in this str. After that, L is equal to str dot length. The length of this string str will be stored in this L. The string of this length of this string is here, you see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so it stored 9 in this length L. After that, we have here while loop. In while loop, it checks for the condition. You see here I is less than L. I value is here 0 and L value is here 9, so 0 is less than 9 as condition is true. Then it enters into the while loop. In while loop, it checks for the condition stri. You see here I value is here 0 first, so in 0th position we have the S, so it checks for this capital S in the condition str 0 means the capital S is greater than equal to small a, and that capital S is less than equal to small z, no, or the capital S is greater than equal to capital A and capital S is less than equal to capital Z as the condition is true. Then it executes this code alphabet plus plus. The alphabet value will be incremented by 1. The alphabet value is here 0. Then it increment by 1 means alphabet value is here 1 now. After that, it increments the value of I. I value is here 0. So that increment by 1 means I value is here now 1. Now alphabet value is 1, I value is here 1, and digits and special char is 0, and length L is 9. In while loop, while I value is here 1, so 1 is less than length L 9 as the condition is true. Then it enters into the loop and it checks for the condition. If here we have 1 str1, in position 1 we have here W, capital W, so it checks for this capital W in the condition. Capital W is greater than equal to small a, and this capital W is less than equal to small z, or capital W is greater than equal to capital A and capital W is less than equal to capital Z as the condition is true. Then it executes this code alphabet plus plus. It increments the value of alphabet by 1. The alphabet value is here 1, so it increment by 1 means the alphabet value is now 2, and it increments the value of I by 1. The I value is here 1, so that increment the value by 1. Now value of I is now 2. Now alphabet value is here 2 and I value is here 2. Digits and special character is 0 and length is 9. In while loop, while I 2, the I value is here 2. 2 is less than 9 as the condition is true. Then it enters into the while loop and it checks for the condition. If str2, in second position we have here A, capital A, so it checks for the condition that capital A is greater than equal to small a, and the capital A is less than equal to small z, no, or the capital A is greater than equal to capital A as the condition is true. Then it executes this code alphabet plus plus, means it increments the value of alphabet by 1. the alphabet value is here 2 and it increment by 1 means the alphabet value is here 3 now, and it increments the value of I. The I value is here 2 and it increment by 1, and here I value is here 3 now. After that you see here alphabet value is 3 and I value is here 3, and this is special character is 0 and length L is 9. In while loop the I value is here 3, so 3 is less than 9. As condition is true, then it enters into the loop and checks for the condition. If str3, in third position we have the capital T, so capital T is greater than equal to small a and the capital T is less than equal to small z, no, or the capital T is greater than equal to capital A and that capital A is less than equal to capital Z. As the condition is true, then it executes this code alphabet plus plus. Alphabet value will be incremented by 1. Here alphabet value is 3. Now it increment by 1 means alphabet value is now 4, and I value also incremented by 1. I value is here 3. Now I value will be incremented by 1 means I value is here now 4. After that the alphabets is equal to 4 here, and I is 4 digits and special character is 0 and length L is 9. In while loop I value is here 4, so 4 is less than 9 as the condition is true, and it enters into the loop and checks for the condition. If str4, in fourth position we have here capital I, so in condition the capital I is greater than equal to small a, no, and the str4 means capital I is less than equal to small z, no, or that capital I is greater than equal to capital A and that capital I is less than equal to capital Z, as the condition is true, and it increment the value of this alphabet by 1. The alphabet value is here 4. Now it increment by 1 means I value is here, alphabet value is here 5, and also it increments the value of I. Now I value is here 5, here 4, so it increment by 1 means here I value is 5. After that the alphabet is 5, I value is 5 digits and special carry is 0, length L is 9. In while loop I value is here 5, so 5 is less than 9 as the condition is true. Then it enters into the loop and it checks for the condition. If str5, in fifth position we have here at the rate, this is the special character. In fifth position we have at the rate. At the rate is greater than equal to small a and at the rate is less than equal to small z, or at the rate is greater than equal to capital A and at the rate is less than equal to capital Z, no, the condition is false. Then it goes to the next condition. The at the rate is greater than equal to 0 and then at the rate is less than equal to 9, no, the condition is false. Then it executes this else part. In else part, here we are incrementing the value of special char by 1. Here special char value is here 0, that increment by 1. Here special char value is now 1 and it increments the value of I also. The I value is here 5, it increment by 1 means I value is here now 6. Now I value is 6 and digits is 0 and special carry is 1 and alphabets is 5 and L is 9. In while loop the I value is here 6. 6 is less than 9 as the condition is true. It enters into the loop and it checks for the condition. If and str6, in 6th position we have here digit 1 it checks for the condition that 1 is greater than equal to small a. No, this condition is false. Then it goes to the next condition. If str6 means this 1 is greater than equal to 0 and 1 is less than equal to 9, the condition is true. Then it executes this code digit plus plus. It increments the value of digit by 1, and digit is here 0, so that increment by 1 means the digit is now 1, and it also increments the value of I. The I value is here 6, and it increment by 1 means here I value is here 7, and the next I value is here 7 and digit is 1, special char 1, alphabet 5, and length L is 9. In while loop I value is here 7, so 7 is less than 9 as condition is true, and it enters into the loop and it checks for the condition. In the seventh position we have here digit 2, so it checks for the condition that 2 is greater than equal to small a. No, the condition is false. Then it goes to next condition. If digit 2 is greater than equal to 0 and 2 is less than equal to 9 as the condition is true, then it executes this code. It increments the value of digit by 1. The digit value is here 1, so it increment by 1 means it become 2, and digit value is now 2, and also it increments the value of I. The I value is here 7, and increment by 1 means I value is here now 8. After that I value is 8, digits is 2, special char 1, alphabet 5, length L is 9. In while loop I value is here 8, so 8 is less than 9 as the condition is true, and it checks for the condition. In the 8th position we have here digit 3, so it checks for the condition here. If that 8 is greater than equal to small a, no, the condition false. Then it goes to the next condition. If that 3 is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 9 as the condition is true, then it executes this code digit plus plus, and it increments the value of digit by 1, and here digit is 2 and it increment by 1 means the digit value is now 3, and it also increments the value of I and increment by 1. Here we have 8, I value is here 8, it increment by 1 means I value is here now 9. After that I value is here 9, digit is 3, special character is 1, alphabet is 5, length L is 9. In while loop 9 is less than 9, no, the condition is false. Then it comes out of the loop and it prints on the console the number of alphabets in a string is 5, number of digits in string is 3, number of special character in a string is special character. This is the tracing of this program. Now we go for the execution on the developer command prompt. For that you have to copy this program and paste in notepad and save this program. For that you have to go to file and save, give the class name as a file name and save this file in D drive. I created here C# program folder. In that I save this file. Give here file name alpha digit .cs, give the extension .cs for this C# file and click on save. Now we go for the execution of this file. You see here we are in C drive and our file is in D drive. Type here D:, enter, give the folder location CD C# program, enter, compile the file. You type here CSC, file name is alpha_digit dot extension CS and enter. Now we go for the execution. Give the file name without the extension alpha_digit and enter. Enter the string here and Swati @123. You see here output of this. Number of alphabets in a string is 5. Number of digits in a string is 3. Number of special character in a string is 1. This is the execution on developer command prompt. Thank you.